Hello friends, it gives me immense pleasure to announce the opening of Neptune ENT Surgery Super Speciality Hospital at Miraj. This is a modern hospital with high-end equipment, infrastructure and complete with highly specialized doctors and well-trained paramedics. The motto of this hospital is to make available the latest and best medical facility in the field of ear, nose and throat treatment to the people at the most reasonable rates. The hospital is the brainchild of renowned Miraj Sangli-based ENT surgeon and super specialist Dr. Hemraj, who has years of core experience. The hospital renders both outpatient consultation and inpatient services. It is a fully geared up for timely and accurate diagnosis of ear, nose and throat disorders using advanced apparatus. It further provides emergency services and has a modern operation theatre, intensive care unit, recovery room, private rooms, and general ward, both AC and non-AC. Our equipment bank consists of excellent microscope, teleendoscope, endoscopic camera, video transmission devices, ventilators, defibrillators, coagulators, and microdebriders, which help in performing minimally invasive surgeries. In other words, minimal blood loss surgeries which help patients to recover quickly post-surgery. The Department of Audiology and Speech Therapy is equipped with advanced apparatus which provides various tests for patients with speech and hearing impairments, such as pure tone audiometry, impedance audiometry, OAE, BERA, electrocochleography. With the help of these tests, we locate the exact site and the cause of hearing and speech impairment and treat it accordingly. The Sleep Study Laboratory helps in diagnosing the exact causes of snoring, insomnia, and obstruction of respiratory tract with polysomnography machine and to perform appropriate surgeries on it. Dr. Hemraj is a well-trained in performing surgeries of ear like tympanoplasty, mastodectomies, audio and hearing reconstructive surgeries, surgery of noses like septoplasty, cosmetic surgeries of nose like rhinoplasties, FES in chronic diseases of nose like nasal polyposis, chronic rhinosinusitis, and in throat like tonsillectomies, adenoidectomies, surgeries of tongue, palate, pharynx. In neck, surgeries like thyroidectomies, as well as other lumps in the neck. He also has expertise to perform rigid as well as flexible bronchoscopy in order to treat acute airway conditions like removal of foreign bodies and bronchoalveolar lavage. He is also specialist in treating swallowing disorders and surgeries for black fungus in nose, therefore mucormycosis that develops after COVID. In addition to our hospital has special clinics for thyroid diseases, headache, dizziness, and persistent cold. Our bottom line is to ensure that advanced medical services in the field of ENT are made affordable for the common man. Thank you.